Hey there, in today's video I want to talk about why affiliate marketing is the best online business model for beginners looking for a way to make money online. Also, towards the end of the video I'll reveal one of the biggest challenges affiliate marketers face when just starting out. If you're online looking for a way to make an extra income, then there are various different business models you can choose from. To help you choose the right business model, the one that's going to give you the best chance of success, there are 3 factors you should take into consideration. These 3 factors are important in any business, and if you make sure these 3 factors are in place, then I believe it will significantly increase your chances of success. Okay, so first of all, is the business able to get more customers? Will it be easy for you to go out and find new customers to buy your products? Secondly, are you able to do repeat business with these customers? Are you able to sell additional products to your customers? And the third factor, are you able to sell higher ticket products to your customers to increase your revenue? When looking for a business model to follow online, it pays to make sure these 3 factors are in place. Affiliate marketing is one business model that has all these 3 factors in place, providing you choose the right affiliate program. And I'm going to talk about that some more in today's video. But first of all, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. Why affiliate marketing is the best online business model for beginners looking for a way to make money online. Now, as I already mentioned, affiliate marketing is one business model that has the 3 important factors you're looking for in place. Yes, you can get more customers when you need to. Yes, you can do repeat business with these customers. And yes, you can sell higher ticket products to your customers to increase your revenue, providing of course you choose the right affiliate program. There are of course other benefits in choosing affiliate marketing as your business model. One of them being you are not location dependent. Basically, you could run your affiliate business from almost anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Another benefit is the ability to be able to generate fast profits. Because you are promoting other people's products, you do not have all the hassles normally associated with setting up a new business. Now, I want to go back to the 3 factors that you need to have in place to increase your chances of success with whatever business model you choose to use. The ability to get more customers, the ability to do repeat business with these customers, and the ability to sell high ticket products to increase your revenue. We now know that affiliate marketing is one business model that ticks all the right boxes, but there is one proviso here, and that is when it comes to the ability to sell high ticket products to increase your revenue. Well, this is only available when you choose the right affiliate program. You see, not all affiliate programs are the same, which is why it's very important to choose the right one. One of the benefits of choosing affiliate marketing as your business model to follow, especially if you're a beginner looking for a way to make money online, is that you are getting a pre-built business. As long as you choose to partner with a reputable business who sell high quality products, then your chances of success are that much higher. Now, as I've already mentioned, choosing the right affiliate program is important to your chances of success. So how do you go about finding the right affiliate program? Well, you now have some idea about what it is you're looking for, so a bit of research is necessary here. Remember, not all affiliate programs are the same. You're looking for a business that will pay you a commission on every product the customer you refer ends up buying, not just the front end products, which many businesses tend to do. You want to be paid on everything from the low ticket entry products through to the mid ticket items, right through to the high ticket back end products where your commissions can amount to $1,000 plus per sale. There are some other factors you need to consider. Do they provide good marketing material? And do their sales funnels actually convert? Also, are they trustworthy? And will they look after you and your customers? These are all important considerations. And as long as you choose an affiliate partner who meets all these factors, then this will enable you to focus 100% on your main task as an affiliate marketer. And that is to actually get people clicking on your affiliate links so you can make those all important commissions. There is no doubt affiliate marketing can be very profitable if done properly. Unfortunately, most people go about it the wrong way. One of the biggest challenges affiliate marketers face when just starting out is getting proper training. Now, if you look below in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online presentation where my mentor, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will show you how he's using a little known method of giving away something for free, which leads to him making $1,000 plus commissions. And at the end of the training, he'll actually give you the opportunity to partner with him and use his complete sales funnel for your own gain. He also provides extensive training to help you succeed as an affiliate marketer. His company are very trustworthy and, in my opinion, tick all the right boxes when it comes to looking for the right affiliate partner. For this reason, I highly recommend you at least take a look. Simply click the link below in my description and register for the free presentation. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below in my description and click the link and register for the free online presentation. Thank you.